Hello! If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects and ideas. This time we are going to be restoring an outdoor side table. It was found on the street, probably because the welds broke off on the mesh around the top area. Inspect and check the areas that need repairs. Scrape all the broken welds to make better contact when you are welding. The mesh material is so thin that you need to tack weld only. Make sure to use all the appropriate welding equipment to protect yourself. Move around the table until you're done with the repairs. Continue by sanding the table using 220 grit sandpaper. We are going to be using Rust-Oleum paint. For best results, shake spray can for about 3 to 5 minutes. First, apply paint on the repaired areas. Then continue by applying one coat to the entire piece. It's always best to start painting on the bottom area. Flip table and continue painting the other side. Watch my other videos, link will be in the description below. Apply coats between 3 to 5 minutes apart. 3 coats will be enough. Complete restoring the side table. Let it sit for about 18 to 24 hours before use. The paint will be dry in 4 hours, but you will still smell the paint chemicals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos.